Assalamu welcome to my YouTube channel Computer Technology. Subscribe my channel Computer Technology. आज हम पढ़ेंगे जनरेशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर. जनरेशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर फर्स्ट टू फिफ्थ. First generation 1946 to 1959. Second generation 1959 to 1965. Third generation 1965 to 1971. Fourth generation 1971 to 1980. Fifth generation 1980 to present. The five generation of computer. Generation of computer. The computer have evolved from a large sized simple calculating machine to a smaller but much more powerful machine. The evolution of computer to the current state is defined in the generation of computer. Each generation of computer is designed based on new technological development, resulting in better, cheaper and smaller computers that are more powerful, faster and efficient than their procedures. Generation of computer. Currently, there are 5 generations of computer. In the following subsections, we will discuss the generation of computer in terms of the technology used by them, hardware and software, computing characteristics, speed, i.e. number of instructions executed per second, physical appearance and their applications. फर्स्ट जनरेशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर. फर्स्ट जनरेशन कब आई कंप्यूटर की? 1940 टू 1956. द फर्स्ट कंप्यूटर यूज्ड वैक्यूम ट्यूब्स, अ sealed glass tube containing a near vacuum which allows the free passage of electric current for circuitry and magnetic drums for memory. They were often enormous and taking up entire room. First generation computers relied on machine language. They were very expensive to operate, and in addition to using a great deal of electricity, generated a lot of heat, which was often the cause of malfunctions, defect or breakdown. The UNIVAC and ENIAC computers are example of first generation computing device. अब हम पढ़ेंगे फर्स्ट जनरेशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स. उसमें एडवांटेजेस क्या हैं और डिसएडवांटेजेस क्या हैं. एडवांटेज: इट वाज ओनली इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइस, फर्स्ट डिवाइस टू होल्ड मेमोरी. और डिसएडवांटेजेस क्या है? टू बल्कि i.e. large in size, vacuum tubes burn frequently, they were producing heat, maintenance problems. अब हम पढ़ेंगे सेकंड जनरेशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स 1956 टू 1963, जो आई थी 1956 में और 1963 तक चली थी. ट्रांजिस्टर्स रिप्लेस्ड वैक्यूम ट्यूब्स एंड ushered in the second generation of computer. Second generation computer moved from cryptic binary machine language to symbolic. High-level programming languages were also being developed at this time, such as early version of COBOL and Fortran. These were also the first computer that stored their instruction in their money. सेकेंड जनरेशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर. एडवांटेजेस और डिसएडवांटेज. इसमें हम पढ़ेंगे एडवांटेजेस क्या है और इसके डिसएडवांटेजेस क्या है. फर्स्ट, साइज रिड्यूस कंसिडरेबली, द वेरी फास्ट, वेरी मच रिलायबल. डिसएडवांटेजेस में इसमें क्या है? दे ओवरहीटेड क्विकली, मेंटेनेंस प्रॉब्लम्स. अब हम पढ़ेंगे थर्ड जनरेशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर 1964 में और 1971 में द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द इंटीग्रेटेड सर्किट वाज द hallmark of the third generation of computer. Transistors were miniaturized and placed of siliconous chips called semiconductors instead of punched cards and printouts. Users interacted with third generation computers through keyboard and monitor and interfaced with an operating system, allowed the device to run many different applications at one time. थर्ड जनरेशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर एडवांटेजेस और डिसएडवांटेजेस हम इसमें पढ़ेंगे. ICs आर वेरी स्मॉल इन साइज, इम्प्रूव परफॉर्मेंस, प्रोडक्शन कॉस्ट. डिसएडवांटेजेस में क्या है? ICs आर सोफिस्टिकेटेड. Fourth generation of computer 1971 to present. The microprocessor brought the fourth generation of computer as the thousands of integrated circuits were built onto a single silicon chip. The Intel 4004 chip developed in 1971 located all the components of computer from the central processing unit and memory to input output controls on a single chip. Fourth generation computer also saw the development of GUIs, the mouse and handle devices. फोर्थ जनरेशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर में ये दोनों आ जाते हैं, माइक्रो प्रोसेसर. फिफ्थ जनरेशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर प्रेजेंट एंड बियॉन्ड. फिफ्थ जनरेशन कंप्यूटिंग डिवाइसेस बेस्ड ऑन आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस are still in development, though there are some applications such as voice recognitions, the use of parallel processing and superconductors is helping to make artificial intelligence a reality. The goal of fifth generation computing is to develop devices that respond to natural language input and are capable of learning and self-organizations. फिफ्थ जनरेशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स में ऐसा लुक आता है, देखिए. फिफ्थ जनरेशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर 1982 to present. Now we use fifth generation of computer which were started around 1982. थैंक यू. हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और लाइक करें. थैंक यू.